Boats are now complete. We're going to start our racing. I want to introduce our judges, if they can all line up for me. Prize categories are for best costume. That's why you see such lovely costumes today. Another prize category is best capsize. So if you fall, please fall with style, but watch the fall. Another category is originality, best design. So the judges will be judging their votes as well. And then obviously our last category is best time without capsizing. All the participants are gonna bring their boats over to the starting positions on the pool deck. When I sound the horn, the time will start. They have to have 2 people in the boat, paddle down and paddle back before the time will stop. Ready? Set.
Structure and support here. So we have these 3 major bulkheads, and over here we have internal supports. And this is where we use like the natural length of the cardboard to really get it stable. And you see it makes a nice noise. Wait, get the noise? That's the noise of sturdiness right there. Alright.
This is true classic American engineering.
Yeah!
That's right. Detroit failed because they didn't make stuff like this. Yeah! That's their problem.
Wait, grab my bottle.
They're going to learn from us. All right. This is the Detroit stimulus plan in 2010.
The bailout.
Yeah.
Key features on this ship are the sharp-edged hull, which we use to break ice if we're in Arctic waters, or to ram other ships and destroy their hulls. Also, we have stabilizing pontoons.
That's right.
We also have.
You guys are going down.
The stabilizing pontoons are probably.
They're sinking pontoons. That's what they are. Mostly for sinking. Hey.
That's gold. That's gold. Oh, it's gold.